That is Ripley's Aquarium, actually, in the distance. A little construction going on there. But that's not what I'm here to look at. If we spin around over here, you can see there's a memorial of sorts. What kind of memorial? A 9/11 memorial. Now, what's really interesting, if we come over here, there is a piece of metal here, a beam, if you will, and this is an actual beam from the North Tower that was presented to the city of Myrtle Beach, their fire department. You can see on the back side where they actually went through the beam to put the date 9/11 on there. So this is an actual artifact from the events that you can come out here, touch, and talk to these guys. Hey, caterpillars. You guys here just paying your respects, hanging out? Around the base of the beam are some things written in the stone down here. Circle around 8:19 a.m. to 9:28 a.m. 4 planes: American Airlines Flight 2, American Airlines Flight 77, United Airlines Flight 175, and United Airlines Flight 93 are hijacked. So this is a timeline of the events. 9:03, 175 crashes into South Tower, followed it around. 9:59, South Tower collapses. Now, if you're of age, you probably remember exactly where you were when that happened. I know I remember. And so forth and so on. You go around the circle, and it tells you the events as they occurred along the timeline. Over here, there's a few more items that go with the memorial. Of course, these are the donors that their contributions led to the building of this memorial. So there's the steel beam over there. Topgolf is in the background behind it. If I come over here, there is a water fountain depicting the 2 towers and some painted tiles that are really, really interesting to me. Let's take a look at these. These tiles span the perimeter of the fountain. A lot of them are specific to specific people. Some are just general appreciation to the men and women that lost their lives on that day. There used to be flags, 3 flags flying here. They're not up at the moment. I'm not sure if they're down permanently or not. Like the nature of the fountain, it's not running, and I don't know if they stopped maintaining the area. Luckily, it doesn't need a lot of maintenance. You can still come out here and appreciate what has been laid out before you in memory of the events. But to me, this is the highlight, the beam from the North Tower. It's something you would expect to see in maybe the Memorial Museum in New York City, but it's unexpected to find an actual piece of beam in Myrtle Beach from the 9/11 events. This is a good example of some historical things, monuments, pieces of American history that are in Myrtle Beach that people don't really expect, because people come here to enjoy the beach and to eat seafood and things like that. They don't think about history. I'm sure there are a lot of people who visit that don't realize that there are memorials like this, and a beam from the North Tower of the World Trade Center sitting right here in Myrtle Beach for you to see. So it's not all beach and seafood. There's stuff here. There's stuff here. If you're curious about the other stuff around here, check out the channel. Check out older videos. You'll see what I mean. But until next time, I'm gonna head on out, find something else interesting to show you guys.